Hi everyone! Today we're going to do an experiment to understand why we need to wash our hands. Sometimes you might feel your hands are very greasy and oily. Putting them in running water won't help us. We have to have a drop of soap. In today's experiment, we're going to demonstrate how soap interacts with oil. In today's experiment, we're going to use some fun and simple materials to understand how soap interacts with fat and oil. What we need is really simple. I'm sure everybody have it in your kitchen. We need a shallow bowl, a cup of full fat milk, a drop of dish soap, and some food colorings. We also need some Q-tips for dipping the dish soap. The first step is that we're gonna put some milk in the shallow bowl. After we pour the milk in the shallow bowl, we will let it sit for 10 seconds until all the bubbles goes away and it stops moving. Now we're going to have the kids put some food coloring in the middle of the bowl. Okay?
Wow, done.
As you can see, when we put the milk and the soap, nothing really happens, everything just sits there. Now, we are going to dip our Q-tip in the soap and lightly touch food coloring. We didn't have to move the Q-tip around, but you can see the food coloring is blooming everywhere.
I want to try. Let me try.
You will try. And you can see, as we do it more, the less strong the effect is.
Look.
Now actually we don't need food coloring for the interaction between soap and the milk to work. But adding the food coloring is when we can see the interaction between them. As you can see, it's slowly dissolving it. It's still working here. And it's creating a very interesting pattern out here. Eventually, it stops working. Now let's try again. Okay, we need to let it sit for 10 seconds. Okay, can we? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay? Now, let's try this time to put the colors on the outside and see what happens. Okay?
I'm putting.
Now, this time, Ilan will do first.
Now it's my turn. Oh, look. I did that blue. Oh, I don't know which one. It's getting bigger.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Learn.
2.
2, 10.
Sorry.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
You can see
5,
the
4,
bubbles
3,
is-
1. I did! 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Wait.
Dip your finger in the soap and then
Touch it. Can you put up the sleeve?
Wash hands and stay safe, friends. See you tomorrow.